Hi guys! We are here right now sa likod ng sasakyan nila Mami because today we're going to Eden! Woot woot! Mag-fishing kami and kakain ng tilapia. I'm wearing gloves kasi nahiwa yung aking finger.
Tsaka hito.
And hito. So hinihintay namin sila kuya
Biscuit
na
po,
makarating para we can go para makalis na. Kaya mag one car lang kami. Kumusta love? Excited ka na? Looking forward to it. What is that? Sige daw, basa daw.
Smart food.
Smart food.
Popcorn.
Sponsored by Baka naman.
Is it really smart to let yourself fall in love with the snack? Of course it is. Nice small pause dun. We're talking about the fresh tasting, light textured air pop popcorn.
Air pop popcorn. Air pop popcorn.
Air pop popcorn.
Air pop. Pangit mo may
Smart
ilaw.
food.
Pagod sa RJ. Yummy! Sa lasa, ano sa'yo mong critic?
Masarap. Hindi siya buttery.
Oo. Yeah, kasi white cheddar may nakalagay.
Gano'n, meron kasi yung popcorn na buttery masyado.
Oo.
Masarap siya.
Ayun na sila kuya. Ay, hindi niya makita. Ayun na po ang mga early birds. Namin na record kumain kami ng burger steak. Sleepy baby.
Ako na finish. 5:30.
We're here! We're here ngayon sa Eden. And we will go fishing with Bibi. My wife. Fishing village. Yan siya. There's a huge tilapia up there. And we will now go keep right. Tilapia. This is a fishing village. Ay, naman tayo. Excited ka na? Look! There's a deer. A doe. A deer. Please don't throw foreign objects into the pond. Oh, a foreigner.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Sayang.
Wow. Habang kami, meanwhile, ano na love?
Look, there are peacocks. Oops. There are peacocks. Hi. Catch na naman si Ate Jem. Amazing. Come on, Ate Jem. How about you, Bibi? Bibi is dual wielding. Dual fisher. Fisher woman. You're having fun?
No,
No. Why?
not getting any
You're
fish.
not getting any fish.
It's no fun.
It's no fun. It's okay.
Len,
Hey! Ay, di ko na video niya sa'yo.
it's okay. Buhay pa siya. Thank you. Now waiting for another.
Na. Wait, wait! Yay! Good job, love!
It's
It's
small,
small.
but it's fish. You can eat na.
Yeah, we have food to eat.
What? Wow! They're fighting!
Right now, we're going to go upstairs para dun ng hito. You ready for hito, Bibi?
Yes.
At that bam bam. Baby's bam bam. Dito ang hito Hito na naman ang ating huhulihin. Ganit. Dapat naka-yellow rin tayo pag pag fishing. Kaya mapagkamalan nila na araw.
Wow, yun na dalawa.
Oh, it's so slimy. You ready?
Yes.
Show me your hito face. Yeah, galing. Good job, kuya. How about you? Hey! Ikaw na lang, babe. Go na naman daw itong Go, baby. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do this, baby. I believe in you. Ay! It's okay, love. Go, baby. Go, babe. Up. Oh! Sige, babe. Good job! Good job, love. Good job!
Thank you, kuya.
High five! Good job!
Grabe, bugat ko.
Gani. Thank you, kuya. Oh, cute kayo si mami. Go, ma. Ano ba mga Yung parang red ang soup at tabaw?
Ginataan.
Oh.
Kaya hindi tigi-tigi sa sayo ito dahil pag pinadip.
Oo, deep fry na lang. Sige, Magsilapok.
Malapit yan, sir.
Wow! Muta, oy. Asan si Chonky Boy? Is this Chonky Boy? We're done na with fishing and very busog. Hindi namin naubos actually sa sa dami. But mayroon kami mga take homes.
Yay.
So, yun siya. Hintay namin ngayon sila kuya na makabalik here.
Tanan. So nice.
Hello! Now we're looking at plants na itatanim sa bahay. Ayaw namin ang
Ito.
we're aiming for African talisay and this one. Nice picnic.
Malaking.
So, malaki lang siya masyado. Alright, so it's a new day actually. I forgot to finish the video kahapon. But these are the plants as you can see. That's what we bought dun sa Buddha and the African talisay. So these other plants are what we have already before. So yun, we hope na you enjoyed our vlog sa Eden. Here are the dogs. They're staying here kasi kinakabitan ng tent ang other side. And I hope you guys will tune in next time. Bye bye.